Assalamu alaikum dear student. How are you all? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akhtar, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear student, our today's topic is energy. Our today's topic is energy and we will discuss broad question, filling the blanks, short question, and this is lecture 5 and I will give you SW. This is SW number 5. Dear student, we have already discussed this chapter, some topics of this chapter, and today we will discuss the other part of this chapter. This is your science book. When you watching this class, you can open your science book and follow your book also. Today we will start from, this is chapter energy, chapter name is energy and chapter 9, and today we will start from page number 60. So let's start today's class. Student, do you know what is energy? Energy is the ability to do things. When we turn on a radio, we can listen to news or music. We can boil water and cook food by using fires. Electricity can light a lamp and make the room bright. When we bring our hands close to the light, we feel warm. This means that light can produce heat. Energy can mainly do 4 things: move something, make a sound, and produce light and heat. Moving something, energy can move something. Fans spin around by using electricity. A toy car can also move by using the electricity of a battery. Heat energy can move something as well. When we heat the water, steam comes out. Steam trains and ships can move by using the power of steam. You can see this picture. This is steam train and this is a boy. He is playing with a toy car and this car get energy from battery. Producing light. Energy can produce light. A lamp and torch give off light by using electricity. When we turn on the TV, we can see images because the TV emits light. Heat energy can also produce light. When we burn a matchstick, we get both light and heat. Student, you can see this picture. This TV get electricity from this plug and this electricity will convert it into light energy, heat energy and sound energy. Now, producing heat. Energy can make heat. Electric lamps give off light as well as heat by using electricity. Burning candles give off light and heat as well. Electrical energy can also produce heat. When we iron clothes, we use the heat produced by electricity. Dear student, now we will do some exercise. Our first exercise is fill in the blanks. Our 1 number filling the blank is heat, electricity and light are dash. The answer will be energy. Heat, electricity and light are energy. 2 number filling the blank is television runs using dash energy. Television runs using electric energy. 3 number plants prepare their food by using dash. Plants prepare their food by using sunlight. Answer will be sunlight. Now we will do true false. 1 number is burning candles give off only light. No, this statement is false. Burning candle give off light and heat also. Then we will write false. And 2 number is heat energy can produce light. Heat energy can produce light. This statement is true. Then we will write here true. 3 number is without sunlight crops and other plants can grow. No, without sunlight crops and other plants can't grow. So this statement is false. We will write here false. 4 number is the sun is a powerful source of heat. Yes, the sun is a powerful source of heat. This statement is true. Then we will write here true. Student, our next exercise is one word answer. Okay. One number question is what is the most powerful source of light energy? Answer will be the sun. 2 number question is what does plant make by using sunlight? Answer will be food. 3 number what can move something? Answer will be energy. Student, next we will discuss about broad question. Answer the following question in broad. Question is explain how electricity is used in our life. I am repeat this again. Explain how electricity is used in our life. Answer will be electricity is one of the form of energy. Electricity is used in our life in many ways, such as 1 number point, we use electricity to turn on the light bulb and fan. Next point is to watch TV and to listen to the radio. And last one point is we also use electricity to run refrigerators or computers. Dear student, you have to do some SW. Your SW will be, and this is SW number 5. Student, you have to write number 5 SW in top of your copy when you do your SW. So 5 number SW, number 5 SW, and your SW will be broad question. Broad question answer. That means these broad question, this answer you have to write in your SW copy. And repeat this SW. Look at this. This is 5 number SW and your SW is broad question answer. That means here is a one broad question answer and you have to do this as your SW. So dear student, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice at home and you have to do your you have to submit your SW every Sunday from 8 AM to 4 PM. And stay home, abide by your parents. See you again in our next class. Thank you.